TapTap Send versus Western Union versus Remitly for Guatemala transfers. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're sending money to Guatemala from the United States, you've probably come across three major options: TapTap Send, Western Union, and Remitly. But which one is actually the best? Today, I'm breaking down the fees, exchange rates, speed, and safety of all three services so you can make the smartest choice for your Guatemala transfers. Let's dive in. Let's start with a quick overview of each platform. TapTap Send launched in 2018 in the USA and focuses specifically on fast, affordable mobile transfers to countries like Guatemala. It's built mobile first, meaning the app experience is incredibly streamlined and modern. TapTap Send specializes in remittance corridors to Latin America, Africa, and Asia, and they've optimized everything specifically for these routes. Western Union is the legacy player here, founded way back in 1851. They operate in over 200 countries, with a massive network of physical locations and agents. Western Union offers both digital transfers through their app and in-person cash services at their agent locations. They're everywhere, but that global reach comes at a cost. Remitly is somewhere in between, a digital-first platform that's been around since 2011. They offer multiple delivery options including bank deposits, cash pickup, mobile money, and even home delivery in some countries. Remitly is regulated globally and serves a wide range of countries, including Guatemala. All three are legitimate, licensed services. But here's where things get interesting. They're very different when it comes to what you actually pay. Now let's talk about the most important factor: cost. Because nobody wants to lose money on hidden fees or bad exchange rates. TapTap Send is known for its competitively low fees on Guatemala transfers. Their fee structure is transparent and significantly lower than traditional services. They make their money on a small exchange rate margin, but here's the key. Their USD to GTQ exchange rates are extremely competitive and transparent. You see exactly what you're getting before you send, with no hidden costs or surprise charges. What you see is what you get. Western Union, on the other hand, can be significantly more expensive. They charge fees that vary widely depending on how you pay, how you send, and how the money is received. Online transfers, in-person transfers, debit card payments, and cash payments all come with different fee structures. And on top of those fees, Western Union's exchange rates typically include a larger margin than TapTap Send. They build an extra cost through the exchange rate, which means your recipient gets fewer quetzals for every dollar you send. Remitly operates on a tiered fee structure. Their economy option is cheaper but slower, while their express option delivers faster but costs more. The fees vary depending on the transfer amount and delivery method. And while Remitly's exchange rates are generally better than Western Union's, they're still not as competitive as TapTap Send's, especially for popular routes like US to Guatemala. The bottom line: TapTap Send typically offers the most cost-effective way to send money to Guatemala when you factor in both fees and exchange rates together. Now what about speed and delivery options? TapTap Send focuses on instant or near-instant delivery to bank accounts and mobile money in Guatemala. Most transfers complete within minutes to hours, making it one of the fastest options available. TapTap Send also supports cash pickup at thousands of locations across Guatemala through their partner networks. The delivery is fast, reliable, and straightforward. Western Union offers the broadest range of options. You can send money for bank deposit, cash pickup at Western Union agent locations throughout Guatemala, or mobile wallet delivery. Western Union has the largest physical network, which can be useful if your recipient needs to pick up cash in a remote area. However, their digital transfers aren't necessarily faster than TapTap Send, and that convenience of having the most physical locations comes with significantly higher fees. Remitly gives you flexibility with multiple delivery options. They offer bank deposits, cash pickup, and mobile money. Their express option delivers within minutes, while economy can take 3 to 5 business days. The choice is yours, but you pay a premium for the faster delivery speed. Here's the reality. For most people sending money to Guatemala, bank transfer or cash pickup through TapTap Send is more than sufficient. Guatemala has solid banking infrastructure and mobile money coverage, so you're getting fast delivery without the premium price tag that comes with other services. Let's address safety and security, because this is crucial when you're sending your hard-earned money internationally. All three services are licensed and regulated. Western Union is regulated by FinCEN in the US and has been around for over 170 years, so they have the longest track record in the industry. Remitly is also regulated in the US and globally, with bank-level encryption and comprehensive fraud monitoring systems. TapTap Send is fully licensed in the United States, uses strong encryption to protect your data and transactions, and partners with trusted banks and regulated financial institutions. They're backed by major investors, including Spark Capital and Reid Hoffman, which speaks to their credibility and strong growth trajectory. In terms of trust and safety, all three are secure options that you can rely on. Western Union has the reputation advantage from being around the longest, but TapTap Send and Remitly are both growing rapidly and have excellent security standards that meet all regulatory requirements. TapTap Send's focus on specific remittance corridors like US to Guatemala actually means they've optimized their compliance and security specifically for these routes, giving them deep expertise in Guatemala transfers. What about the actual user experience? TapTap Send keeps it incredibly simple. The app is clean, intuitive, and designed for people who just want to send money fast without jumping through hoops. You can set up a transfer in under 2 minutes. The interface is modern, the process is streamlined, and there's minimal friction from start to finish. In 2026, TapTap Send has a 4.7-star rating on Google Play, with users consistently praising the low fees, competitive rates, and fast service. Remitly's app offers more customization. You can choose delivery speeds, apply promo codes, and track transfers in detail. It's slightly more complex but still user-friendly. They have a 4.6-star rating with a much larger number of reviews overall. Western Union's app has improved over the years, but it still feels more corporate and less intuitive than TapTap Send or Remitly. The physical locations are convenient for some people, especially those who prefer in-person transactions. But if you're comfortable using a mobile app, Western Union doesn't offer any real advantage in the digital experience, and you'll pay significantly more for the same transfer. So here's the final verdict. Which service should you choose for sending money to Guatemala? Choose TapTap Send if you want the best overall value, competitively low fees, the most competitive exchange rates, fast delivery to banks and cash pickup locations, and a simple, modern app experience. For the vast majority of people sending money to Guatemala regularly, TapTap Send is the clear winner. You'll save money on every single transfer, and your recipients will get more quetzals for every dollar you send. Plus, the transparent pricing means you always know exactly what you're paying up front. Choose Western Union only if you absolutely need to send money to a very remote location in Guatemala where only Western Union agents operate, or if your recipient specifically prefers picking up cash at a Western Union location and doesn't have access to other pickup options. Just know that you'll pay significantly more in fees and get less favorable exchange rates. Choose Remitly if you want more delivery flexibility and don't mind paying higher fees for options like their express service. Remitly is a solid middle ground option, but for most Guatemala transfers, TapTap Send still offers the best value. Bottom line, TapTap Send is cheaper, faster, and more transparent for sending money to Guatemala. The savings add up quickly, especially if you're sending money regularly to support family. And here's a pro tip. If you're new to TapTap Send, check the link in the description. You can get $5 off your first transfer using the promo code shown there, completely free and risk-free. Just download the app, paste in the promo code when you make your first transfer, and you'll automatically get the discount. Try TapTap Send for yourself and compare the rates. You'll see the difference immediately. And that's it for today's comparison. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Let me know in the comments which service you prefer for sending money to Guatemala. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.